5 minutes mindfulness. In today's fast-paced world, everything, from food and travel, to work and rest, is often approached with urgency. But what if we slowed down? Slowed down, just enough to hear the quiet harmony of life. To live in rhythm with nature, rather than rushing against it. Could it be that the world around us isn't rushing, but that we are the ones moving too fast? Take a moment. Look around. In nature, from the rising of the sun to its gentle setting, the trees, the clouds, the rivers, none of them hurry. Each one moves in its own time, its own quiet rhythm. Even in your home, look at the clock. It doesn't rush. It doesn't pause. It simply moves, second by second, always on time. The instrument that measures time is already in perfect rhythm with it. So how might we, as humans, begin to align ourselves with this flow? How do we return to a place where we are not rushing, nor falling behind, but simply present? Let's begin, gently. Stand on your balcony, or sit by a window. Set a timer, for just 5 minutes. And in that time, simply feel. Feel the breeze on your skin. Notice the sunlight. Listen to the birds, the rustle of leaves, the distant hum of life. Or close your eyes and breathe. Let your breath guide you until the timer gently calls you back. The timer matters. This isn't about how long you can sit. It's about honoring the time you've set. Not controlling it, but respecting it. Through this small act, you reconnect. With presence. With patience. With the quiet rhythm that's always been there, waiting for you. In this space, peace returns. You live each breath. And in doing so, you begin to balance life with truly living. If this practice brought you peace, kindly show your support by liking this video. I would be grateful to hear about your experience. How did this exercise resonate with you? Please share your thoughts below. To continue exploring moments of stillness and connection, consider subscribing for more content in this tranquil journey. If you believe others could benefit from this message, please share this video with them. For more guidance, refer to the description below.